Hey friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have been following my video series called Seneversity, today is Unit 2, where I'm going to be telling you what to do when you first sign up and you've already kind of discovered your why. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, click here and go and check out my first video where I explain what you need to do as a step 1 in starting your SeneGence business. But step number 2 is you signed up. Now what? So if you want to see more videos like this and you really enjoy this series, then please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel so you can always be notified when I post a new video. And be sure to follow me. Go on Instagram. Go and follow me, Saleh Beauty. Follow my stories. I'm a pretty entertaining person sometimes. So step number 1, you need to decide on a business name. Now there are some rules about this. So you cannot use the word SeneGence in the title of your business name, and you can't use the word lip sense or blush sense or make sense or anything like that in your name either. So you have to think of something creative. So the way that I like to tell my team to do this is make a list of 10 things that you're passionate about. Sit down and have a look at it and see how that can relate to your SeneGence business. For me, I didn't want it to be just, lips by Sana or anything like that. I didn't want it to just encompass lip sense or just lips. Be conscious that our company doesn't just have lip sense. We have a variety of amazing products and it all encompasses beauty. So think of something creative and make sure that it's a name that you're going to be happy with for long term. So for instance, my business name is Saleh Beauty. Super not original, but nobody else has the name Saleh Beauty. I am the only Saleh, obviously. And I wanted to put the word beauty in there because it encompasses all of our skincare and makeup and hair care and all of that fun stuff. So it's a name that is going to grow with me and it's a name that's going to stick with me long term. Think about what the company stands for: empowerment and beauty and skin and makeup and making people feel good and all that kind of stuff. So think really hard about what your name is going to be and then do the following steps. Okay, so step 2 is setting up all your social media accounts with your new name. The first thing that you want to do actually before you go and create your names is go on Google and just search up your name and see if anybody else has that name already taken. If they do, think of something a little bit more original. Once you have your unique name, then go on Facebook, go on Instagram, go on YouTube, go on Twitter, go on whatever, Pinterest, any social media accounts that you're going to be using, and save that name and keep it. Even if you think that you're not going to use Pinterest or Twitter or whatever it may be, still go and save that name because you don't want somebody else taking that account and then you having to think of a different username. Make your accounts ASAP. Do it like right now. Get off my YouTube video after you watch the whole thing and then go and make your social media accounts. Also, I highly recommend setting up an email as well with your unique name. You don't really want to use your existing personal email for your business. So you don't want to use your babygirl3210 at hotmail.com or whatever it may be. Don't use your high school emails, guys. Nobody wants to see that. So what you want to do is you want to go on to your email server, and I personally love using Gmail. It's super easy to use. It encompasses YouTube and all of the amazing platforms that we have, and they have amazing resources on Google. So the best thing that you could do is sign up for a Gmail account and use your name. So for me, it's sanasalehbeauty@gmail.com. Once I have that saved, then I can go and I can make all my social media accounts and be assured that every single account that I have has my unique name and nobody else has it. All right, so there you go. There you have it. Now you know what to do in setting up all your social media accounts and doing the first step when working towards expanding your SeneGence business. So stay tuned because I have a whole whack of training videos coming up. And if you found this video helpful, comment below and tell me, what did you pick for your unique business name? I would love to know. Share it down below, comment and tell me what it is because I love hearing what everybody comes up with. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell so that you get notified every single time that I post a new video, and follow me. Go follow me on my social media accounts. I will post them right here. Bye.